Never give up, and never give up. Never give up is the attitude that one should carry and live our life with, no matter what the situation is. One should keep struggling and fighting with the odds and should wait for the day when we will find what we have actually been looking for in our life. Failure is not an option for anyone. When we are used to working hard to succeed, we tend to become self-confident and dependent on ourselves. We do not need to rely on anyone else to do the job for us, because we are quite certain that we are ourselves "capable of handling it on our own." Since we don't give up on our dreams, we have no regrets, and no one needs to help us out along the way. Even though we have failed in any process, we should stand up and do it again, but in any case, we should never give up on our dreams. We live in a fairly competitive world, which means that every time we let go of our dreams, someone else makes them their own. A million people are chasing the same dream all their lives, and if you don't keep trying, somebody else will be living your dream, and you will spend the rest of your life mired in regret and jealousy. Giving up is not an option if you have to stay ahead in the race. This is perhaps the most important benefit of not giving up. Your goals may seem tough or almost impossible to reach, but you will never really know that unless you have tried. It is only by trying, and trying again, that you will finally understand whether the goal was achievable or not. If you give up without trying at all, or at the first hint of failure, you will always have the nagging thought at the back of your mind, "What if I tried?" If you do try enough, and then finally step back, you will definitely know that this was not doable, or otherwise, because you gave it your best efforts. There is nothing to say that success will come to you at the very first attempt. Sometimes, you have to struggle for years before you can reach the place you aimed for. There will be multiple setbacks on the way, and if you give up every time you encounter a roadblock, it will be impossible to ever achieve anything. So, you must keep trying in order to make it in the end, and the taste of success will be even sweeter. Therefore, as per this phrase, success is impending. One never knows at what moment one may achieve success. It's always elusive and imminent. So, the best thing is to keep struggling with full energy and hope. One should never lose courage in ourselves. We should keep on pushing until we get success. This is what this phrase teaches us. We should never give up on our dreams. Subscribe for more new inspiring and motivational every videos. Thank you for watching. Have a motivational day.